Shazam is a mobile application that identifies the music and television content that surrounds it. It is a good alternative to discover, explore, and share your favorite music. Recently, the new pop-up function was added, which allows the recognition of songs played externally or internally on the device. Users can recognize all the tracks that are played on their smartphone or tablet without increasing the volume or disconnecting the headphones. To activate the new Shazam pop-up feature, just do the following. First, open the application and click on My Shazam in the upper left corner. Then, touch the gear in the upper left corner to access the application settings. There you can activate or deactivate Shazam pop-up. Once this is done, you will find a new alert in the notification area. Every time you want to recognize a song, just touch this notification to activate Shazam. Remember that just by touching the logo of the application will begin recognition.